Hi guys, so we want to have a look at how to perform digitization in QGIS, and I've prepared a point, line, and polygon layers for us to use. And the first one is the cars layer. I toggle it to editing in order to be able to edit it, and you can see that these editing options are now available. When I'm not in editing mode, they are grayed out. So editing mode, and naturally I want to plot the cars. I need to zoom in to be accurate. It's a bit above the resolution of this image, but just left click and it's a car. So I define the position by left click, but I have to fill in the feature, the car, the line in the attribute table ID. So that's the first car, and its name is I don't know, Momo, and it's just fields. So this is the car, and when I look at the attribute table, I can see it. So there are quite a few cars here. I won't define all of them, but you can see the connection between the attributes table and the map. So this is a point. If, for instance, buildings, I would select this building, and maybe it's better to see the whole building. That one is easier to digitize. Again, just 1 minute. When I toggle the editing mode, only once I saved it, it's saved on the disk. Before that, it was only on the screen, it wasn't saved. So I have to save before leaving the layer. I toggle this one. I'm in editing mode, and you can see that now I'm in a polygon layer. So I define a polygon. I just left click, left click, left click all around this building. To close the polygon, I right click, and I have this building. Again, I can save my edits and leave editing mode. We're done. Thanks.